Hey y'all, coming to you from international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at a 2021 SEMA Show, and I came across a 2020 Jeep Gladiator I thought was kind of cool. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll check it out.
I couldn't believe it. A Jeep. And, you know, I was born and raised in Toledo, the home of the Jeep, but they just never been my thing. I'm not into all that off-road and hill climbing kind of stuff. I'm into laying on the ground like this one was. I thought the color was beautiful. The work is incredible, even though, you know, it's not the normal style of hot rod or custom car that I shoot. Cool is cool, and that is cool. Laying on the ground. And I don't know what powers it, but man, if it was Hemi powered, how cool would that be? And I mean, you know, the normal Jeep stuff is aggressive looking, you know, and off-road stuff is made to look, you know, aggressive. Works when you slam them on the ground too. I mean, look how deep those headlights set. How cool is that? And how the marker lights are cut into the fenders. A little hood scoop. 4-door. I mean, just a pleasure craft. You're not gonna do any work with this thing. But man, you'll look cool, that's for sure. Probably has a killer sound system in it. It's in the details. I love that. A little throwback to the Chrysler history, I'm guessing. Mopar history. There's wheels. And then it's a dually. How crazy is that? Man, this thing is cool. 2021 SEMA. Beautiful work right there too. Beautiful wheels. I love how deep they are. You just never know. Never say never. I was walking to the new West building, which is on the other side of the street now, which I believe will be the new entrance at some point. Look how those things got a twist to them. Yet they look like semi wheels on a slammed down Jeep Gladiator. And it has like kind of a Hummer look about it too. It's a Freightliner look. I don't even know. It's just all mixed together. I dig it. Anyways, yeah, across the street. I think it's going to be the new entrance at some point. So I was walking over there and voila. Cool is cool. I said, man, I love that Jeep. First, I mean, just the laying on the ground part of it, to me, Jeeps are not meant to do that, and there it was. I thought that was cool. In this interior, that braid pattern that are in that seats, tastefully done, but yet, man, just classy, modern, cool. And then the color, and then finding out it had dual rear wheels, it was like, holy smokes, man, this thing is awesome. Ton of work, I'm sure. You know, I don't know nothing but cool, and you know, Jeeps have just always stood for off-road 4x4, not laying on the ground. Hitmobile. But I dig them. Dig this one. Look at all that openness too. The windows, the roof. Man, that thing was just built to cruise. Would have loved to have that as my rental car in Vegas. And again, I just absolutely love that color in the sunshine. It was gorgeous. So there you go, from the 2021 SEMA Show, a 2020 Jeep Gladiator laying on the ground. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.